Imagine showing off before totaling a coworker's car, or wrecking your own car into a police vehicle, or getting attacked by an angry trucker. Actually, you don't have to imagine it because all these stories and more are coming up today on
Wham, Bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Stian was driving down a Canadian highway with a coworker when 3 other drivers merged ahead of them while getting up to speed. One driver, the one in a red Hyundai, had a bit too much fun accelerating onto the highway. The car lost traction before the driver overcorrected multiple times, eventually spinning out and colliding with a blue Chevy. Stian immediately pulled over before rushing over with his coworker to check on the involved drivers. Thankfully, nobody was injured, but the driver of the Chevy Spark was certainly shaken by the experience. Stian stayed on the scene until everyone had calmed down, then offered the Chevy driver a copy of his Teslacam footage, advising that it might help her in her dealings with the other driver. Her reply shocked him. She said she probably wouldn't need it as she knew the other driver. Actually, they were co-workers, and we're sure this whole situation probably led to some interesting conversations around the company water cooler. Hey bro, remember when you thought you were Vin Diesel and totaled my car? Good times. After making sure everyone was okay, our submitter continued on with his coworker, and I have to imagine their small talk was a little less tense. John was driving his Model X down a busy Brooklyn street when he had to cross a double yellow line to maneuver around several double-parked vehicles. As he drove around a BMW and approached a traffic signal, all of a sudden,
"Jump in! Honda bumped!"
A Honda driver parked behind the BMW chose that moment to make a U-turn without signaling or checking his mirrors before hitting the side of John's Tesla. It turned out the Honda driver only had a learner's permit and was using his girlfriend's car to get to work, without her in the car with him, which is illegal. John told us the other driver was uncooperative, refusing to provide his information until John called the police and they forced him to do so. John had his Tesla towed to an approved body shop, and their initial repair estimate exceeded $15,000 US. Since his Model X is a 2021 with over 45,000 miles on it, that might mean his Tesla is totaled. He told us that watching Wham Bam Teslacam reminds him to make sure his Teslacam is always working properly. Cole was entering a roundabout, you know, the big circular thing where you drive into it from one direction and exit in another. Evidently, one Ford driver clearly did not understand the concept. When they realized they'd taken the wrong exit from the traffic circle, they decided that the best way to correct their mistake was by making an illegal U-turn across another lane and a solid line without even checking for traffic. The turning Ford essentially pit maneuvered Cole's Tesla, sending it into oncoming lanes. Thankfully, there was no oncoming traffic at that exact moment, so Cole avoided colliding with any other vehicles. Both drivers stopped, and thankfully nobody was injured in the collision. Conveniently, police were already nearby after responding to a collision scene at the next roundabout. Cole has already filed an insurance claim and is now waiting on repairs to be completed. Cole told us it was a crappy morning, but there is a silver lining. At least he'll get to be on YouTube. This submitter was using full self-driving when he watched another driver fail to close the gap before another vehicle was T-boned by a police SUV. In addition to the SUV involved in the collision, another unmarked police SUV had been right behind the hatchback that was struck. Since the 2 cop cars together probably had all the dashcam footage they needed, our submitter decided not to stop and offer his Teslacam footage. As he drove by, he noted the involved drivers looked stunned by what had happened. We definitely wonder what explanation the driver of the hatchback had to offer the police officer. Watch what happened when MD stopped for a red light literally 2 minutes away from home. As soon as MD opened his door to inspect the damage, the other drivers sped off while any other potential witnesses continued on their way. But MD was not about to let him get away with that. He turned around and headed in the direction of the vehicle that had hit him while calling 911. The operator told him to get a good photo of the license plate, but MD held out hope that the other driver would stop. Eventually, he got within one car of the hit-and-run driver, but the 911 operator told him not to confront him and only to follow at a distance. When both drivers had to stop for a red light, MD took a quick picture of the other driver's license plate, but it was only a paper temporary plate. The 911 operator continued to instruct MD not to confront the driver, insisting that the temporary plate number was all the info police needed to handle the situation. When he managed to catch a glimpse of the driver, he didn't seem to be bothered at all. MD continued home, where a police officer met him to make a report. He was impressed by the quality of the Teslacam footage, which clearly captured the temporary plate number. MD was worried that might be an issue, but the officer assured him it was no problem. Well, it turned out to be a very big problem. When MD made a claim with his insurance provider, he gave them the plate number so they could pursue the other driver's insurance provider. They told him there was no way for them to look up the other driver using a temporary plate number, and they'd have to create a claim under MD's uninsured motorist coverage. When the damage to the wheel and suspension was assessed, the insurance company totaled MD's Tesla after determining that labor would cost even more than the replacement parts. MD told us he isn't too upset about the situation, but he is bummed to be driving around a combustion car for now. Honestly, we'd be pretty upset if that happened to us, especially with the police officer and 911 operator who both claimed that the temporary license plate wouldn't cause any issues. Kevin was driving his Model 3 when a black BMW overtook him at high speed. As the speeding BMW driver continued down the highway, he suddenly struck the guardrail. What's really crazy is that after the impact, the BMW driver just kept on going as if he was hoping that nobody had noticed. Well, it would be hard not to, considering the amount of debris scattered all over the vehicles following behind it. Kevin and those other drivers slowed down a bit as the BMW sped away. Kevin later checked his Model 3 for damage, and thankfully he wasn't able to find any. Speaking of oblivious BMW drivers, Rhonda did more than just witness one, she became their victim. After picking up her son Jaden from swim practice, she was driving when the vehicle ahead of her stopped to make a left turn. Even though Rhonda was able to safely stop, the driver of the BMW behind her wasn't paying attention. Rhonda saw the BMW coming in her rearview mirror and tensed up as it got closer, tires screeching before the impact. Both drivers pulled over, and Rhonda told us the BMW driver was very apologetic. The first thing he asked her was, "Are you okay?" followed quickly by, "I'm going to call my parents." The police arrived quickly and closed the investigation just as quickly. Rhonda told us that after watching her Teslacam footage, an officer said, "Well, that was easy." She had her Tesla repaired at an authorized collision center for around $16,000 US. Pulse was driving his Tesla down a highway when he found himself in the middle of a road rage incident, which quickly devolved into vehicular combat. Everything started when a box truck rapidly approached him from behind. At least that's the earliest footage we have. Based on what happened next, we wouldn't be surprised if there was more to the story. First, the driver of the box truck cut off a black sedan in the carpool lane, but the sedan driver took to the shoulder rather than slowing down. They then cut in front of the box truck before swerving back and forth across the highway to keep the box truck from passing them. Meanwhile, surrounding drivers backed away and kept their distance. Pulse admits he should have backed away even farther than he did, as the situation was clearly dangerous. The two road-raging drivers effectively created a rolling roadblock, something we usually see the police do to slow down traffic. But this situation was very different from a typical traffic break. The road rage continued for over a minute, only ending after Pulse began honking, perhaps waking these drivers up to how stupid they were being. That has us wondering, where are the cops when you need them? Well, we can confirm that the Aussie cops are staying busy. Andrew was traveling with his family when he got caught in traffic, unable to see what was causing the slowdown other than some party lights in the distance. As he got closer, he could tell that police were chasing something down the highway, so he changed lanes to get a better look. Andrew and his family were amazed to discover a fleeing emu being chased by the police. They don't know what crime the emu had committed, but based on the police response, it must have been something pretty bad. Comment below and tell us what you think this bad bird did to warrant this pursuit. Bad birds, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Pete was on his way home after a night of birthday party karaoke when he noticed a police SUV on the side of the road, party lights active. He couldn't figure out why the SUV was just sitting there, but suddenly the vehicle ahead of him ran over a large tire in the road. Both Pete and the other driver were able to pull over safely using an exit lane that was closed for road work. Pete walked over and stopped another driver from hitting the tire before rolling it out of the road, something you'd think that police officer would have done, just saying. He then shared his Teslacam footage with the other driver, whose vehicle had been damaged by the impact with the tire. Tim was on his way to get some late-night fast food and had full self-driving engaged when someone in a blue vehicle threw something at his Tesla. The impact made a loud noise while his windshield wipers immediately activated. Tim disengaged FSD and pulled over to check his vehicle for damage. He didn't find any, but when he got home, he reviewed his Teslacam footage and discovered that an occupant of the blue vehicle had thrown 2 water balloons at him. An impromptu car wash. How kind, I guess. Alex was driving his Model Y down a Florida highway when traffic in the passing lane came to a sudden stop, but the driver of a red pickup truck wasn't paying attention. The pickup rear-ended a Kia, and the impact sent it into Alex's lane. Thankfully, Alex was paying attention, and he managed to avoid colliding with the Kia. Nice save, Alex. Matt told us he's experienced a lot of crazy things during the years he's driven his Model 3 as a rideshare driver, but what happened on this occasion takes the cake. He was picking a rider up in front of a house, and as he approached Matt's car, he could see him stepping across some kind of barricade tape. As the man settled in for the ride, Matt heard another man yelling, but he wasn't able to tell if the shouts were directed at him or at his rider. Then he saw a man approaching his Tesla holding an unidentified object like a shovel or metal bar. As Matt began pulling away, the man began running after his Tesla. Sensing danger, Matt floored the juice pedal, putting as much distance behind him as he could. As he completed the ride, he found out that the other guy was the neighbor of his rider's friend, and his friend called him demanding that he have Matt turn around so that the rider could apologize to the neighbor. Matt told him there was absolutely no chance that was happening, and the issue would be theirs to resolve without his involvement. Good call, Matt. Sarah was using full self-driving when her Tesla abruptly stopped, even though the traffic light ahead was green. She didn't know why this had happened at first, but then she saw what FSD had already identified and reacted to: a red light runner who would have collided with her vehicle if she'd been driving manually. Robots 1, humans 0. Marissa was driving her Tesla Model Y when an orange traffic drum rolled into her lane, and she had no choice but to run it over. That might not look like much, but the impact with the drum caused almost $5,000 in damage after deep scratches required paintwork to repair. Zachary called the DOT to let them know what had happened with their drum, but they refused to accept any liability, even though they own the drum. He then used Grok to deep search for other collision cases involving DOT-owned barriers, finding 3 that were similar to this incident. He then had Grok summarize its findings, referencing the case numbers from the previous incidents, then sent the information in an email to the DOT. Within hours, they'd accepted responsibility. If you want to see more times that AI was superior to humans, check out this episode, when Tesla's AI saved lives.